Scarlet May. Someone asked me what the heck that was. Just so you know. I got it from The Mandalorian. If you watch The Mandalorian on Disney, you'll probably, you know, try and pick it up. Not saying that my voice is good, but whatever. Anyway, I am back with another video, and it's Valentine's Day this week. I think Friday. So I decided I'd show you guys a really dramatic look, and then for my next video, I'm going to show you guys how to upgrade from a simple look during the daytime to the nighttime. So let's get started. So as you guys have already seen, my eyebrows are prepped, my face prepped, eyelashes are done. I have tape on the side of my face, so if I blink really weird in this video, you guys, that is why, because this tape is, woof, we gonna have to hurry up. I'm doing a reddish goldish look, and I am using the Wario by Juvia's Place. Got it cracking. So I'm just gonna pat the red on my eyelids. Now this red is super blotchy, you guys, so I'm gonna go in with more than one coat. I really want it to be a little vibrant. And I'm using Jezebel. It's this wonderful color right here. Jezebel. Then I'm going to go in with Kenya. My biggest problem with Juvia's Place is their consistency. I'm gonna blend all of this out because it's a little harsh. So I had to go for my Summer Lovin' palette because I really want to blend out the top. Alright, you guys, it's coming along, it's coming along. Now back again with my Warrior 3. I'm actually going to pick up some of this other red that I see here and apply and just see how that looks, because the previous red didn't have the pop that I wanted. That added a little bit more pop back into it. Now I'm gonna go in with my gold, and I'm just gonna put the gold on the centers of my eye, but before I do that, I am going to go in with a little bit of concealer because I want the gold to pop. And you can do this for the red if you wanted to. It's completely optional, but I didn't want to go like, I just don't like doing cut creases all the time. I wanted this to look a little different, so let me get a little brush. Okay, I'm gonna apply some concealer. Alright, now to put on the wonderful highlight color. Ooh, I'm such a highlight fanatic, y'all. Yes, I'm gonna go in with Zara, and this is from the Saharan Blush Volume 1 palette. And I'm just gonna put that on my little part. other eye, and then I'm just gonna blend it out because I don't want harsh lines. So. Just going back in with a red color and just kind of diffusing on the top part. So it is a little red again. Now that I'm wrapping up my eyes, I am going to go in with my corner color. Let's see. I'm going to put the same gold that I put on top of my lids right there as well. So you guys, I am 10 subscribers away from 100. So if you are watching and you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time to do so. And click that little bell button so you can get alerts, because I do post weekly videos. Sometimes I am a little late, sometimes it might be a day or two after, but I try and keep my content up. We have to apply in our corners because hello. So last but not least, I'm gonna do my bottom lid, or it's not a lid. My bottom eye, and I'm just gonna go in with the red that I had on my lid. So I'm going to go in with this Perfect Precision pencil, and it's actually a lip liner. We're going to use it to just darken the under and give it that pop of color. We're going to move on to liner so that we can take these bad boys off. Let me peel off this tape. Alright, you guys. So I'm gonna quickly do my face. And then of course, you guys know I always love to spray before I do my foundation, and with my wet beauty blender, we're gonna go on it. I am so due for a haircut. I can't decide. So I really want locks, you guys. Comment below and let me know if you think I look cute with locks on or not. And give a thumbs up if you think I'm cute anyway. Move this along to concealer. Then we're going to move this bad boy on long to contour. guys, I started to do my contour, but let's get this powder set underneath my eyes. Okay, so I stepped away really quickly so I could contour because the lighting changed. But I'm back. I'm just gonna do a quick nose contour. I'm gonna shave up my cheeks some more. Go in with my pressed powder, and I'm just gonna kind of set all of that in. I'm using Juvia's Place, of course, setting powder. I am then going to highlight my nose, you know. Now with my Saharan blush palette, I am going to do my blush, and I'm using Neo, which is this really vibrant color right here. And I like to smile, so I got some big old cheeks. And then that shows me I want to go from there. I'm gonna blend that in because you guys know I love my blender. I'm gonna go in with Zara again. So do you guys like? We're almost done. We've almost reached the final product. I'm just letting my lips moisturize because I added some lip balm, and I am going to add some mascara. I'm adding some mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm gonna line my lips with the same pencil I used on my lower lids. In this video, it's all about the reds. There you guys have it. It's the finished look. I'm gonna change into my outfit and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so this is my dramatic Valentine's Day look. I will do a simpler one that you can upgrade from night to day, but you know, not all of us are stuck with a 9-to-5 job. You know, the struggle is real. So yeah, we can't all let this pop in all the time. I can't let this pop in all the time. Anyway, you guys, I really hope you like this look. I don't think it was too hard. Definitely a lot more steps than my previous videos and a lot more shadows. Yeah, so I look cute, y'all, and sexy and round. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and all my weirdness and my quirkiness, and I will be releasing another video maybe hopefully on Wednesday, Thursday the latest. But yeah, this one should be up soon. It was a pleasure as always. It's your girl, Scarlett Mays. Bye.